time was it?
Oh, yeah. All for the city. That was a lot of fun making this record. 1975, Nick Jameson had just joined us on bass, and as our producer. We're on a mountain top in Sharon, Vermont, Suncoast Studio, and we came off the road for about 2 months to get it right. Apart